Hello and welcome, I'm Cipher aka, and today I'm going to be doing a video a little bit different from some of the other videos I've done. I want to start working on tech videos because I feel like I've had a lot of questions about these sort of products, how to install them, which one I should get. So the product we're going to be talking about today is the Juwin Wi-Fi 6 AX300. It's a PCIe Express card that you can install that also gives you not only Wi-Fi, but as well Bluetooth. And I believe the Bluetooth is 5.0. So I'm gonna shoot to the other footage of me installing the card, and then we're gonna talk about it afterwards. Putting the card inside this PCIe Express slot right there. And now this is going to differ from motherboard to motherboard, so keep that in mind. And then all we're going to do is we're going to take out that screw right there, which is going to allow us to put the housing into here. And the last thing, if you want Bluetooth, which I'm sure most of you will, is, let me zoom in, right there. That's a USB header. So I'm gonna cable manage some stuff here. I think I'm gonna bring it down through here and kind of tuck the cables in behind there, behind the motherboard, and then we will plug into the USB header right here. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put these two fins in here, into the PCI Express slot, which is again down there. So you wanna position a little head, if you can zoom in there. And then you just drop that, if I can actually do it. All right, yeah, we're dropping that in there. Push it, give it a little push, you don't need much. Bring it forward, make sure it's seated. I think that's it, I think it's in. All right, so now we have to plug in the Bluetooth. So typically, this little plug right here, this 4-pin, is gonna go inside of here, and if you look around right there, around right here, kind of angle it so that you'll see a white thing, like go like this way. There we go. Okay, so this right here is gonna plug into this guy. You're not gonna be able to see because it's such a tiny little cord, and my hands are so dang big. Oh. Pretty sure it's that way. Okay, yeah, the pin. So this pin right here. You want to focus on that? There we go. This pin, at least on this model, which I will show you guys. I will provide links for the model in the description. Plug it right into that guy. And then what I did is I routed it. See this right here? I routed it through a path underneath. So I'm becoming a cable manage freak, and we kind of get it a little tight, pull it around here, and then remember we're gonna plug it into that USB header, and so that's just boom, and it should be all good. Maybe it's upside down. Oh, there we go. See those pins right there? See how that one is missing? And if you want to zoom in on that. Not the one closest to the cable, the one further, right here. Yeah, if you see on that, there'll be that pin missing. That's how you know how to plug it in. So yeah, plug it in, it's in there, and that's it. So then the last thing we're gonna do is we're going to plug in the antenna, and this is the easiest part of the whole setup. You just take it, and like that. Screw that bad boy in. Oh, that's it, really? Okay. It's in. And then same thing here. Screw it in. Yeah, I think that's it. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. So I want to thank you all for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like to get more content. Well, actually, you don't need to like to get more content, but you should. if you enjoyed it. Also, if you have any questions about how to install this, or if there's things within your own PC that are a little bit different than mine, feel free to leave those questions and comments down in the comment section below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Take care of yourself.